That's when I know it's about to get Texas hot. Hey Thomas, how do you feel about being back at the pool? How do you feel? Thomas. So once again, the fountain gets more than me.